Happy December 13th, day 13. Cute little hedgehog right here. We got, let's see, this is a gingerbread. Here's Sage. He knows as soon as I start opening this advent calendar. It's not your turn yet. You gotta wait a moment. Nutmeg showed up too. So it's window 13. I think that's a kitty, right? Is that a kitty, you guys? Where is the... There we go. It's another silver bullet. Let's see. Come on. All right, another one of those. And then now we're gonna go to 13 on the cake calendar. What do we got today? And we got the almond one. All right, you guys, it's your turn now. Let me go grab the cat one I have to hide because otherwise you guys would be chewing it up. Sage knows what this is. Okay, Sage, I need you to scoot back and open this window. Today is day 13, okay? Today, oh, we're getting, oops, maybe I shouldn't have, accidentally got 19 too. Let's fold this back. Okay, there we go. So it is the dried, okay, scoot back, I don't want to cut you. Let me cut this open. And then I'll get it out for you. Just 2 seconds. I'm stepping all over it. No, it's right here. Move your paw. Let me pull some out for Nutmeg. There you go, Nutmeg. Can you, okay, that's fine. Sage can't figure that out. I'll get it out for you, right there. See? There you go. Where's all the black kitties? I gotta find them to give them some treats. You didn't eat, you gotta eat that. You gotta eat that. Here, Nutmeg, there's another piece. Do you not like these, Sage? Like you don't, one more piece right there. Nutmeg, I don't think they like them. They don't like these. Sorry. Sorry they're not as good as the rest. I'm gonna leave you to mess with that. I'm gonna go find the black kitties and give them these. There's one kitty. Jack, come here. Come here. Good boy. I don't know where your brother and sister is, so I guess Nutmeg is gonna... There's some for you, and there's some for you. Merry Christmas. Oh, wait, you just stole Nutmeg's. Oh, she got one. Be a good boy, Jack. Be a good boy. Oh. You figured out how to get it out. Good job. Now it's the Nightmare Before Christmas pop-up tree. Here's 13. Maybe, am I opening it right? These are always so hard. Oh, I'm not. I was opening it wrong. It's this side. Almost messed that one up. Oh, and it's the little mummy boy. You gonna put it on the tree for me? Sally, you want this? You were named after this book. Here, you do look a little schmutzy. Rolling around in the basement again. Oh, good girl. Such a good little girl.